This long sleeve cardigan was crocheted for a 9 to 10-year-old girl that wants to have a bit of a bohemian look. If you don't like the colors, do you need to use them? If you want to crochet a similar cardigan for another age group, do you need a sizing chart? Do you in the other part of the world have to match the yarn exactly to use the same yarn types that I have used? Do you first need to crochet a little test square? So now you've received the good news. All that you need is a t-shirt of the age group that this girl falls into. Follow the link in the description below to the video on my channel where I guide you to crochet the size of the cardigan you want.